Let's look at the dataset first. The dataset has column name month. This column has the year along with the month. Another column by name passenger. This column specifies the number of passengers that flew in that particular month. And there is a season column which specifies the kind of season. It takes a value either 0 or 1. This dataset read is passed to the profit node. This is the node where the model gets trained. One needs to specify the Y field, which is the target, here the number of passengers, the date column, the DS column. In addition, since this is a multivariate model, we need to provide additional regressors. So in this case, we are providing a regressor which was the third column in the dataset by name season. There are other hyperparameters which can be fine-tuned to build the best model, be it in respect to accuracy or interpretability. Then we create a future data frame. For the time frame we want to make the prediction using the future data frame node. Finally, we make the prediction using the model for the future data frame, and these predictions can either be saved to disk or can be seen during the executions. Even the model trained can be saved to the disk. The details of the model can be seen in the model browser and the details of execution in the executions page. Thank you.